Hi, everybody. I'm Jessica. I'm looking forward to working with some of my former classmates again and to meet some new people. Um, I was interested in taking this course because I believe that a person's understanding of human sexuality or lack of understanding of human sexuality influences their life in major ways. Um, my interest lies in working with people who have experienced discrimination and depression and have been impacted by the criminal justice system. In my experience working with youth and young adults experiencing incarceration or homelessness, I found that many of them are survivors of sexual assault, many of them are LGBTQ, um, many of them are or were trafficked as children and come from families that aren't accepting of LGBTQ folks. In general, um, I feel like working with my clients, there's a lack of knowledge around consent and a lack of knowledge around healthy sexual relationships and what's normal. So I hope that this class gives me more tools on how to engage my clients in clear and open conversations about these topics. The area of human sexuality that interests me most is learning about how unhealthy or abusive sexual experiences as a child or adolescent impacts the choices that a person makes as a young adult and an adult. Like I said, I work with a lot of young people that have been trafficked and or are engaging in sex work. So finding conversations on how to support them through like the stages of change and escaping these situations would be helpful. For safety, I would like our discussions to be free of victim blaming, discrimination, and judgment. And let's always give each other the benefit of the doubt in everything we post and find ways to engage in productive conversations if there are ever topics that we disagree on. Thanks, and I'm looking forward to working with you guys.